Smart and individually customizable. Simple modularity. Design options with a wide range of materials. UNIQUIN, a companion for life. Light and quiet calm for when you have to concentrate. A solution for almost any room height. UNIQUIN with emergency exit and panic escape functions for integral safety. Unified design for individual doors and room systems. Designed to create connections through divisions and barriers, without compromising privacy and discretion. UNIQUIN offers panoramic transparency unimpaired by electrification. UNIQUIN is functionality with style. UNIQUIN is design creativity for rooms of all types and sizes. Advanced access solutions. Integral safety paired with transparency. UNIQUIN is control even in the most sensitive of applications. Unobtrusive, so that there's still no place like home. A framework for interior architecture. UNIQUIN divides spaces without reducing them. UNIQUIN is the new access and room system from dormakaba.